So we're about to challenge each other to run to this tree. And where are we? What's the town this is? We're in? Enquanta. We're going to touch this Enquanta tree through the pasture and come back. So,
watch out, Alex.
She's going. Hey, wait. What about what about the ladder thing? Don't we have to move over?
Alex is gonna get down there too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go, Alex!
Alright, so 1,
Ready?
2.
hold on, who's saying it? Who's saying it? Okay, Janae.
Janae.
On your marks, get set, go!
Jason, how you feel?
She lost her shoes.
Jason, go back and look for him.
She lost
She did.
In the African bush.
That is hilarious. They're going back to get Alex's shoes.
How does it feel?
deeper than that was good.